race start. Let's go. Oh! Oh my, yes. Oh! Yes, yes, 1,000 times yes. I'll tell you what, we haven't felt that in a while. I'm not talking about the power and the acceleration. AMGs do that. I am talking about the noise, the rage, the drama, the theater. Most AMGs don't sound like that anymore.